In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Canva account. By the end, you'll have a clean, consistent workspace that saves time and makes everything easier to find. Start in the left-hand menu and open the Projects tab. This is your control center for structure. Create folders that mirror how you work. Think categories like social media, client projects. Inside those, add subfolders for specific platforms, campaigns, or file types. The goal is to make it obvious where a design belongs the moment you create it. If you collaborate with others, keep naming simple and consistent, so everyone knows where to put things. Next, set up your brand kit. This is where you store your logos, brand colors, and fonts so your designs stay consistent without hunting for assets each time. Upload your logo variations, define your primary and secondary color palettes, and choose your brand fonts. When you start a new design, your brand assets will be ready to apply in just a click. Keeping everything on brand across all projects. Now head to Uploads to clean house. It's easy for this area to become a catch-all. So move images, logos, and other files into the appropriate folders you just created. You can select files in batches and send them straight into those folders. This keeps your uploads from becoming a cluttered scroll and ensures you always know where an asset lives. For quick access to favorites, use the star icon. Star your most used designs, folders, or assets. They'll appear in the starred section, giving you a shortcut to what you use daily without digging through multiple folders. When you are tackling a mess of designs at once, bulk organize. In projects, select multiple designs and choose Move to Folder. This is perfect for catching up after a busy period, and it dramatically reduces cleanup time compared to moving items one by one. Finally, name your files clearly. Replace untitled design with something descriptive and searchable. Think about the keywords you'd use later when searching. Good naming makes Canva's search tool far more powerful, especially across large libraries or team accounts. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.